So I ended up making a mistake and putting this in slow-mo, but I'm basically talking about that I don't believe that it really needs a water change, but since I was doing another water change in the tanks behind them, I decided to do one here as well. Anyway, let's get started with the video. So guys, I ended up posting this video at first. Oh, look at Cheeseball. Um, I've ended up posting this video on YouTube before, but I ended up pressing mute, so I have to redo the video with the voiceover. But anyway, I'm doing a water change on my goldfish system. I have three Oranda goldfish in here. The one on the left here has no name yet. And as you can see, the little goldfish in the back hiding is Goldie. He's really cute. I got him from Petco. Well, all three of these goldfish came from Petco. And that little common feeder fish in the back there did also come from Petco. Now, the one in the middle, I do need a name for. So maybe you can help me down, dropping them down in the comments below. That is Cheeseball right there popping up saying hello. At the same time, like going looking for food. But yeah, I do need a name for the one in the middle below. Drop it down in the comments below. And yeah, goldfish, I wanted to mention, are notorious for causing or creating lots of poop, basically messing up the water quality. So you do want to be on top of your water changes, but these three fancy goldfish in a 100-gallon system won't really do anything, especially with all the plants that I have in there. As you can see, I have a bunch of moss in there. Look at the top left, I mean, sorry, look at the bottom left and the top right. As you can tell, I do have a bunch of moss in there, and that's not even including what's on the bottom. So again, those plants will probably absorb everything that's needed. To be honest, I don't even know why I did it. It was just basically, I was kind of bored. So in a way, I decided why not. I had all the tools and equipment out ready to do water changes anyway. And again, it can't hurt. It also might speed up their growth, so why not? Again, water changes are important for water quality, growth, and in making sure that the fish stay alive and healthy. So here we see the water draining. I am also draining the water down into my basically recycling thing to where I have a bucket and a pump that I drain my water into, and then that will pump it out to my garden, or well, my future garden. But as you can see here, I basically let it get about halfway full, empty, and then I start to refill it up because I don't need to do a full water change. Doesn't need it. I could have done it. Doesn't hurt, but decided why not? Why do the full thing when it's not needed? And a little bit's always better than nothing. So I just started to fill it back up, and then I also started to drain from my aquarium system that I was talking about. As you can see in here, I have a bunch of 20-gallon tanks on the bottom, and then a couple of 10 gallons in the top. You guys have been on this channel before, you probably seen me build this whole system, and breed a fish out of this system as well. Now, I do water changes on this weekly, and that's the little goldfish right there that needs to be moved. But yeah, since this is a breeding system, I do water changes often, and it just promotes breeding and growth. So, as a fish breeder, I do try to get While my the fish water to is grow as
draining,
fast
I
as they
wanted
can,
to
and water
remind you guys
changes
that you
are
guys should
a part
like
of that.
and comment and subscribe to the channel to see
Again,
more
see this little
videos
comment
like
here? Yeah,
this.
put like,
I
comment,
recently
and
noticed
I mean,
that a
like,
lot of you
share,
guys
comment,
aren't
and
subscribing.
subscribe,
Just hit the
please,
little button on
and
the
thank you.
bottom so you can see more
I'm
videos like
draining the
this.
aquarium. It's just a little bit of a slow-mo reaction here of actually watching the aquarium drain. It was fast forward, but as you see here, I started to fill it back up already. Again, I wanted to make sure that when I'm putting in fresh new water, that it's about the same temperature. I don't want to shock the fish or hurt the fish in any way, because any shock could actually either kill the fish or cause ick and then kill the fish. So we don't want to do any type of diseases or anything like that. But yeah, I know this might be confusing knowing the fact that I'm doing a voiceover and you can see me speaking. But as here, I was mentioning that I did also start a members only part of my YouTube channel. It's basically a way of me producing some sort of cash or money so I can reinvest it into my videos. So I can make more videos, reviews, etc., breeding projects, and more fun things like that for you guys to watch. So if you guys are interested in that, definitely check it out. It's basically where I post videos on saving money and basically saving money in this expensive hobby that we already know can cost so much money. Wanted to take a second also to mention the importance of doing water changes and checking your water quality.
This is very important to fish. It could either stress them out, kill them, or stop them from growing so fast.
So I wanted to mention before we head out of here, please don't forget to check your water quality. Water quality is very important for fish. You want to make sure that it stays about the same, no huge changes or fluctuations in pH levels or nitrate levels or anything like that, because you could, again, stress the fish or kill the fish or cause some sort of weakness. Again, that's pretty much it for the video. Definitely don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to see more videos like this. Check out the channel, the members only part of my channel. I am also on YouTube, on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Don't forget to check that out, all at Cheng's Aqua. Peace out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hopefully I see you in the next video.